Welcome to the video. Today we are going to learn how to tune your ukulele. We're gonna use ukulele tuner here. I got this with a package when I bought my ukulele. If you do not have a tuner, don't worry because you can follow me. So I will tune my ukulele first so you can tune your ukulele. This is the first string, second string, third string, and fourth string. Once again, first string, second string, third string, and fourth string. And these are their corresponding tuners. So we're going to start from the fourth string. The fourth string is the one right here closest to you. We're going to turn this down low first. I like to stretch my strings when I'm tuning it. So down low, and then I'm going to go up higher than G, and then I'm going to go back to G. There you go. That's G, almost. Alright, we got it. There you go. So now you can tune your fourth string with me. So that's the top string. G string. Ready? Alright, now we're gonna tune the third string. That's third from the bottom. So that's the C string. So it's in tune right now, but I'm gonna put it down low and up high. And then back to C. There you go. So why do I put it down low and put it high? I learned that from one of the videos that I was watching, and it helps it to not actually get your ukulele out of tune. I think that's the purpose of it. Alright, that's C. So now let's tune your third string. That is the third string from the bottom. That's the C string. Ready? Oops, that was the E. Sorry about that. The C is right here. Alright, now we're gonna tune the second string. That's the E string right over here, second from the bottom. Right now it's probably in tune. There you go, it is in tune. So I forgot to mention, this is the G string tuner. This is the C string, and the E is right here in the bottom, away from you. This is close to you. This is gonna be A. So once again, this is G, C, E, A. So we're on E right now, second string. All right, that's E. I'm gonna put it down low first and go up high and go back to E. Gonna do it like gently. There you go, that's E. So now let's tune your E string, second string from the bottom. Alright, so now we're gonna do the first string, the bottom string, which is A. Right here is the tuner for that. Should be in tune right now. Now we're gonna go lower and higher. And go back to A. Make sure you're not sharp or flat. Alright. A little bit more. There you go. Okay, that's A. Now let's tune your first string, A, right here at the very bottom. Alright, now that we all have all our strings should be in tune, so let's try that again. Let's start from the fourth string, the very top, which is G. the third string, which is C. Second string, E. And the first string, A. It should sound like this. Alright, you guys, so now your ukulele is in tune. So come back for the next tutorial, and thank you very much for learning with me. I'll see you again in the next video. Let's learn together.